Hello my dear students. This chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers, notes you have to write in your maths notebook. Write today's date, day, heading. Chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. 10 to 99 are 2-digit numbers. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. It comes just after 99. Skip counting is often called counting by twos or by fives or by tens or by fifties or by hundreds. In your textbook, we already learned counting in tens and fifties. Number 100 equal to 100 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. 10 tens equal to 100 ones equal to 100. These things you have to remember because it will become in MCQ and fill in the blanks. Now next, place value chart. In last video I already explained place value. We compare numbers by counting the number of digits. If the number of digits is the same, we compare the digits at different places. Greater than, less than, equal to. Put greater than or less than or equal to. See the first 179 dash 699. In 179, what is in the hundreds place? 1, and 699 6. Now you can see 1 is smallest in hundreds place and 6 is biggest in hundreds place. So 1 is less than 6. So the answer is 179 less than 699. Now second, 155-810. Now see the 100 place in number. In 155, 1 is in hundreds place. 810, 8 is in hundreds place. So you can see 1 is less than 8. So 155 less than 810. Now third, 685 dash 555. 685, 6 is in hundreds place. 555, 5 is in hundreds place. Now you can see 6 is greater than 5. So the answer is 685 greater than 555. Now next, 850-850. Both the numbers are same. So 850 equal to 800. 850 equal to 850. Now next, expanded form and short form I already explained in previous video. Next, ascending order means arranging numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Descending order means arranging numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Ascending order, smallest to greatest. Descending order, greatest to smallest. Arrange the numbers in ascending order, smallest to greatest. Now first number, 278, 168, 89. So 89 is the 2-digit number and it is smaller than the 3-digit number. So 89 is the smallest. So first we write 89. Now in 278 and 168, check the hundreds place. 278, 2 is in the hundreds place. 168, 1 is in the hundreds place. So 2 is biggest, 1 is smaller than 2. So 270 is biggest number and 168 remaining. 18, so we can write 89 less than 168 less than 278. Now next, 215, 145 and 177. 145 and 177, this both the number have 1 is in hundreds place. Now you have to check ones place in both the numbers. There is 5 is in ones place and there is 7 is in ones place. So you can see 5 is smallest than 7. 5 is smaller than 7. So 145 is smallest. Now 215 and 177. 177, 1 is in the hundreds place, 215, 2 is in the hundreds place. So 215 is biggest. Now remaining 177. So you have to write 145 less than 177 less than 215. Now like this you have to do other examples. Arrange the numbers in descending order, greatest to smallest. First, 276, 197, 829. Now, check the first digit. Check the hundreds place in every digit. In 276, 2 is in hundreds place, 197, 1 is in hundreds place, 829, 8 is in hundreds place. So, which is biggest? 8 is biggest and 1 is smallest. So first we write 829, last 197 and remaining 276. 829 greater than 276 greater than 197. Now next 215, 89, 172. Now here you can see 89 is 2-digit number, so 89 is smallest. So in last we write 89. Now in 215 and 172, 2 is biggest, 1 is smallest. So first we write 215, then 172 and last 89. 215 greater than 172 greater than 89. Now third and fourth you can do like this. Counting by twos, write the numbers starting from 322. Now you have to skip 2 every time. 322, 323. This both the numbers we skip. Then which is the next number will come? 324. Right. Now 324, 325 we will skip. Now which is the next number will come? 326. Now every time we have to skip 2 number and write the numbers 328, 330, 332. Now like this you have to do for 120 also. Now counting by 5s, write the number starting from 421. 421, 422, 423, 424, 425. This 5 number we have to skip. Then which is the next number will come? 426. Now 426, 427, 428, 429, 430. This 5 number we have to skip. Now which is the next number will come? 431. Like this you have to skip 5 every time and write the numbers 436, 441, 446. For 635 you have to do it by yourself. Write the following numbers in words. In your textbook we already learned numbers in words and numbers in figures. Now for 169. So you have to write in words 169. 144, 304, 907, 113. You have to write like this. Now next, write the following numbers in figures. 820 means 820. 820. Now like this you have to write for 249, 540, 913, 700. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. 732. 7 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. So you can write the expanded form like this: 700 plus 30 plus 2. Now for another numbers you can write like this. Now next, fill in the boxes. 365, 100 plus tens plus ones. Now you can see 3 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place, and 5 is in ones place. Now next, write the short form of the following: 1 hundreds plus 1 tens plus 7 ones. 1 hundreds, 100 plus 1 tens plus 10 plus 7 ones plus 7 equal to 117. 117. Now like this you can write for another numbers also. Write the place value of each digit. First, 362. Write the place value for each digit. 2 is in ones place, so its place value 2. 6 is in tens place, so its place value 60. 3 is in hundreds place. So draw the bits on the abacus to show the given numbers. 234. 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. 4 is in ones place, so you have to draw 4 bits like this. 3 is in tens place, so you have to draw 3 bits like this. 2 is in hundreds place, so you have to draw 2 bits like this. Now for 403. 3 is in ones place, so you have to draw 3 bits. 0 is in tens place, don't draw any bits. 4 is in hundreds place, so you have to draw 4 bits on hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take the correct option. MCQs you have to write and fill in the blanks. Also you have to write in your notebook. Now next, circle the greatest number. Look at the first: 278, 315 and 199. Now you have to check the first digit of every number, means hundreds place. Here 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 1 is in hundreds place. So 3 is biggest. So circle on 315. Like this you have to do all this. For all this, circle the smallest number: 190, 309, 259. Now you have to check the hundreds place in every number. 191 is in hundreds place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in hundreds place. Which is the smallest? 1 is smallest. So 190 is the smallest number. Okay, bye bye.